Today I'm going to talk to you about pre-washing fabric. You should always pre-wash. The one place you can't pre-wash are pre-cuts because they can really fray, but everything else, everything that comes in yardage, fat quarters, should be washed. And here's why. They off-gas the chemicals that they're made with. And there's some pretty serious chemicals in fabric production, including formaldehyde and phenols. One of the biggest reasons why you want to do this, other than the chemical part, is fabrics are full of loose dye. If you wait until you've made that beautiful red and white quilt and you chuck it in the washer after you've completed the quilt, there's a good chance you're going to have red in your white and your quilt is going to be pink. So what can you do about this? You can pre-wash everything that comes in the house, with the exception of pre-cuts. Second, you can use color catchers in your wash, which also means you're pre-washing your fabric. I know a lot of people use color catchers in the final wash of their quilt, and that catches the free dye that comes off the fabric. But why take that chance? Just throw it in the washing machine and be done with it. I know it's going to fray unless you take extra steps for that, but just wash it. It's better for everybody. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye now.